Welcome friends in our Python tutorials. So here we are going to provide some introduction to Python for you. And actually Python is a very high level programming language and also known as a one of the most widely used programming language in open source circle. So it was introduced in 1991. So we can say it at the age of Python is around 28 years old now. And one more thing, Python is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means if you are aware about any programming language like C, Java, C Sharp, C, Wave.NET, where you need to provide the type of a variable like integer, string, date time, float. But in case of Python, there is no need to be worried. So that is the biggest advantage of the Python. And another advantage is Python is interpreted and not compiled. That means whenever you are going to write your code, then it is going to be interpret it line by line. And why Python? The This is the biggest question nowadays because one major point is that it is a most popular language used in data science nowadays and also being used for machine learning and your artificial intelligence systems and various modern technology. So this is the biggest advantage of Python. So this is the main reason for its popularity. So if we are going to see another fact of Python, so we can say Python is a more productive. Python is reliable and efficient and enable competitiveness improvement by fast innovation. This is because uh, this language is very old and has rich, rich set of libraries and frameworks. That means it has a very large community. That means if you are going to face any issue, then you can easily get the solution for your problem because having a large community with Python. Okay, and Python is incredibly easy to analyze and organize into usable data. Okay, for the learning perspective, Python is incredibly easy to learn and use for younger, and if in your 40s you can also easily learn the Python. Okay, now why Python is super popular. So if you are talking about the machine learning, then you can find out the Python over there. If you are talking about the big data analytics, then Python is also there. If you are talking about the social media, then with the help of Python you can capture the social media information with various API of Python like Twitter. Twitter has a TweetPy. If you want to get the tweet information, you can use the TweetPy with Python and also get this information. So next is Python web development. So there is a lot of things you need to use in your web development as well as in your mobile applications. Okay, now my last question is how to install Python. So Python installation and setup guide you can see on the screen. This is the link. Okay, are the options. Yeah, if you are want to install Python on Windows, you can also get the steps, get the directions from this website also. So for Windows, for Linux, for Mac, iOS, Android, anything you want to, where you want to store Python, you can do that easily with the help of this link. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. We are coming with more videos on Python from basic to ML. Thank you for watching us.